welcome to another Quicklabs video. In today's video we will be discussing the Note tool. The Note tool is located underneath your ruler tool here on your toolbar. If we click down, we will get the flyout menu, and then we will see that we have the Note tool here beneath the ruler tool. Once we select the tool, it becomes active, and then our menu up top reflects the changes. If we want to reset the tool, we will hit the drop down, then go to our gear, and then hit the reset tool presets. Now, I am still using the same image that I've been using in the last few videos. So this image comes from Unsplash, and I want to give credit to photographer Lacey Slezak for this image. The Note tool is very convenient to use if you are editing a project with another individual or another group of individuals. So this allows you to make notations within the project to say, I want changes to be made here, or anything like that. You just add notes that comment on what you would like to do with your project. So here you can put in who the author is. So if you are the editor, so let's say you're the editor of this project, you're going to put editor, and you can select a color for your notes. Let's say I want my notes to be in a blue, or there's a lot of blue in here. So let's select something like orange. So let's do an orange here so that you can see them visibly. And then I just simply click on an area. Let's change this to editor again. Sometimes it likes to go back to the original name that was in there. And then we're going to click, and then we get a little notation icon in our document, and we get a flyout menu that allows us to put in our notation. So I'm going to put change navy color to a brighter blue. And then I can add another notation, change to red, and then add another one here, add text, and then I can put in whatever I want that text to be. So then these notations are in our project, and we can send this project to someone else. They can open them up and immediately see these notations, make the adjustments, and then probably send you some notations back. It's a great way to be able to partner up in editing projects. Now, if we want to clear our notes, we would just simply hit this button here that clears all our notes, and then our project won't have them on there. When you export the project, they definitely won't be on there. These are just live within your project. So I will see you next time on our next Quicklabs video.